Hi guys, welcome back. If you are looking for a new spot to relax, explore and have fun in Abu Dhabi, then Reem Central Park is a place you absolutely need to check out. Reem Central Park is a beautiful waterfront park located on Reem Island, Abu Dhabi. It offers a perfect mix of green spaces, walking and cycling tracks, playgrounds, and waterfront dining options. Whether you are a family looking for a fun day out, or a fitness enthusiast, or someone who just wants to unwind with scenic water views, this park has something for everyone. The park features well-equipped children's play areas with swings, slides and climbing structures designed for both fun and safety. Sport lovers can enjoy basketball courts, a skate park and a open workout zones, providing great spaces for both casual games and serious training. The jogging and cycling tracks take you through the scenic surroundings, making every workout refreshing. Want to get closer to the water? Try kayaking and paddleboarding. Explore the calm, crystal clear waters and enjoy unique perspective of Abu Dhabi's skyline. Rental services are available on site. Additionally, the breathtaking views of the modern skyscrapers on Reem Island make this park an unforgettable experience. Feeling hungry? The park features waterfront restaurants, cozy cafes, and casual food stalls, serving a variety of cuisines, from quick snacks to full course meals. Whether you are in the mood for a coffee with a view or a delicious dinner by the water, you will find the perfect spot here. The water in Reem Central Park is a stunning turquoise blue, reflecting the clear skies and creating a tranquil atmosphere. A man-made waterway runs through the park, adding to its scenic charm. Although swimming is not allowed, the small wetland areas along the waterfront attract birds, creating a peaceful natural environment. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more travel contents, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing destinations. Thank you for watching. Peace.